Good afternoon, everyone. I am Maunika, working as an assistant professor in MBA department at BBC Institute of Engineering and Science. Today, we are going to discuss about Management Information System (MIS). Management Information System is a computer-based information system, which is basically concerned with processing the data into information, which is then communicated to the various departments in an organization to support the operations, management decisions, and decision making functions in the organization. For example, this is the raw data of the organization and processing that raw data into the information. Okay, let's we see MIS. What does MIS means? Management is the effective utilization of human and material resources to achieve the organizational goals. Information means the processed data that helps to the management in planning, controlling and operations. Data means unstructured raw facts like observations or unevaluated messages. Information is like a finished product. System. A system is an orderly grouping of interdependent components linked together according to a plan to achieve a specific objective. Example: human body is a system composed of various parts which are working together towards a common objective, that is to live. So many members involved in this information system like software, hardware, data, resources that collects communications networks. Types of management information system. There are five types of management information system. First one, executive support system. Second one, decision support system. Third one, knowledge management system. Fourth one, transaction processing system. Finally, office automation system. Executive support system designed to help senior management to make strategic decisions. Second one, decision support system specifically designed to help management make decisions in situations. Knowledge management system to help businesses create and share information. In businesses, employees creates new knowledge, which means ideas, which can be shared other people in the organization. Transaction processing system designed to process routine transactions efficiently and accurately. Office automation system designed to improve the productivity of the employees. Benefits of the MIS. Data can easily accessed and analyzed without any time consuming. Second one, decision can be made more quickly and confidence. Coming to the next topic, supply chain management. Supply chain consists of all parties involved directly or indirectly in fulfilling a customer request. A typical supply chain may involve five stages. First one, supplier, second manufacturer, third wholesaler, fourth retailer and consumer. Supplier means the person that sells something such as goods or equipment. Manufacturer is a person convert those raw materials into the final products. Wholesaler is a person sells goods in large quantity at low price. Retailer means retailer is a person sells goods to the public in small quantities. Consumer is a person who purchases goods for personal use. Raw materials. Supplier supply raw materials to the manufacturer. Manufacturer convert those raw materials into the final products. And wholesaler buys large quantity of products to the manufacturer. And a retailer buys goods from the wholesaler in small quantity. And consumer buys the products retailer for their own use. Supply chain management. Supply chain management is an integrated process wherein suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers work together in an effort to acquire raw materials and convert those raw materials into final products and deliver to the final consumers. Components of supply chain management. Components of supply chain management is classified into three modes. First one, upstream supply chain. Second one, internal supply chain. Third one, downstream supply chain. Upstream supply chain is mainly concerned with procurement of raw materials. For example, transportation, purchasing, warehouse. Those are the components in upstream supply chain. Second one, internal supply chain. Internal supply chain means converting those raw materials into the final products. There are manufacturing, inspection, quality control. These are the components of internal supply chain. Downstream supply chain. Downstream supply chain concerned with delivering the final products to the final consumers. Shipping, warehousing, packing. These are the components of downstream supply chain.